is part 2 of the 4th of July Terrible Twofer. And this is also the last and final episode in the Rust Bucket saga. So, time for the stunning conclusion of the Rust Bucket. So, we're going to just start working on it, as you know, and just stick around and enjoy. So, let's get to it. Well, everyone, that's it. That is the end of the Rust Bucket Saga, and I gotta say, I had a blast making this truck, and it was so much fun. All the different little details to put into it, everything like that. Everything down to the rusty plow, to the chain that I added, to putting duct tape on the rear tail light. It was just a blast. It was a lot of fun, and I think I'm probably going to do another one here sometime in the future. But anyway, just thank you so much for sticking around through that whole thing, and you know, stick around for the next one because there's gonna be plenty more coming up. I got a lot of irons in the fire right now, so we'll just keep building. So if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.